Guys, this is a Winnebago Travato. This model here is a twin bed rear bath, and it's a really nice couples coach. You have a lot of storage over the cab. You have a really nice cab, big mirrors, good visibility. Cockpit's laid out very well. You can walk through easily. They put storage just about anywhere they could. This has a pull-out table here. This is also a pull-out cutting board, or can be another table. You have a 2-burner range. You also have a sink with a liner. You have your refrigerator. You have your microwave. And this is the twin bed setup. The heads of the bed can raise up and lower depending on whether you want to sleep or read or watch television. TV is on a swing arm here, so you can bring it out and lay here and watch a movie. You have stereo and DVD player. You have plenty of cabinet storage overhead. All your controls are right here. You've got reading lights. And then you go through the rear door here, and then you have a rear bath. Plenty of storage back here. There is a shower curtain that covers this. You have a porcelain toilet, fold down sink with high-rise faucet, vanity with mirror, an exhaust fan. It's a really nice layout here. You have a little more storage back here, outside shower. You have the inside shower here, rear camera, trailer hitch, nice size awning with LED lights. This is just a super coach. It's a front wheel drive 3.6 Chrysler V6. It's a very proven engine. This is in the Dodge ProMaster chassis. Drives like a minivan. Anybody can drive this. This thing is just super agile. Really a nice state park, national park touring kind of coach. So if you have any questions about this unit, please give me a call. My number's on the screen, and I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you. As always, thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you stay up to date on all the latest videos that we release. Also, check out our blog website, wolfrvblog.com. There you'll find all kinds of downloadable checklists and worksheets. You'll find all kinds of videos on troubleshooting, how-to videos, coach reviews, campground reviews, trips, you name it. It's a lot of information, a lot of fun. Go check it out.